Hello, everyone, you are welcome to our channel. Now we will be embarking on a delightful culinary journey of making a memorable sticky toffee pudding at home that will surely impress everyone. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Making sticky toffee pudding at home is a delightful culinary endeavor that combines rich, moist cake with a decadent toffee sauce for a truly indulgent dessert experience. Whether you're craving a comforting treat for a cozy night in or looking to impress guests at a dinner party or at home, mastering the art of sticky toffee pudding will surely elevate your baking skills. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from preparing the cake batter to making the luscious toffee sauce. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to create a memorable sticky toffee pudding that will have everyone coming back for seconds. List of contents to be discussed. 1. Introduction to sticky toffee pudding. 2. Essential ingredients for making sticky toffee pudding. 3. Preparing the cake batter. 4. Baking the pudding. 5. Making the toffee sauce. 6. Serving and presentation. 7. Accompaniments and variations. 8. Storing and reheating sticky toffee pudding. 9. Troubleshooting common issues. 10. Sticky toffee pudding recipes. 11. Conclusion and final thoughts. Introduction to sticky toffee pudding. Sticky toffee pudding is a classic British dessert that is beloved for its rich, moist texture and indulgent toffee flavor. Despite its name, sticky toffee pudding is not actually a pudding in the traditional sense, but rather a dense and moist cake that is soaked in a sticky toffee sauce. The combination of tender cake and gooey sauce creates a decadent and irresistible treat that is perfect for any occasion. Essential ingredients for making sticky toffee pudding. To make sticky toffee pudding at home, you'll need the following essential ingredients. 1. Dates. Dates are the star ingredient of sticky toffee pudding, adding sweetness, moisture, and depth of flavor to the cake. 2. Flour. All-purpose flour provides structure and texture to the cake batter, ensuring a tender crumb. 3. Butter. Unsalted butter adds richness and flavor to the cake batter. 4. Brown sugar. Brown sugar adds sweetness and caramel notes to both the cake and the toffee sauce. 5. Eggs. Eggs act as a binding agent and help to leaven the cake, giving it a light and airy texture. 6. Baking powder. Baking powder helps the cake to rise and become light and fluffy. 7. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract enhances the flavor of the cake and adds a warm, aromatic note. 8. Milk. Milk adds moisture and richness to the cake batter, resulting in a tender and moist crumb. 9. Toffee sauce ingredients. For the toffee sauce, you'll need butter, brown sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract to create a rich and decadent topping for the pudding. Preparing the cake batter. Preparing the cake batter is the first step in making sticky toffee pudding. Here's how to prepare the cake batter. 1. Prepare the dates. Remove the pits from the dates and chop them into small pieces. 1. Place the chopped dates in a heat-proof bowl and cover them with boiling water. 1. Let the dates soak for 10–15 minutes, or until softened. 1. Drain the dates and mash them into a paste using a fork or potato masher. 2. Cream the butter and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. 3. Add the eggs. Beat the eggs into the butter and sugar mixture, one at a time, until fully incorporated. 4. Mix in the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour and baking powder. 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. 5. Fold in the dates and milk. Gently fold the mashed dates and milk into the cake batter until evenly distributed. Baking the pudding. Baking the pudding is the next step in the process. Here's how to bake sticky toffee pudding. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a baking dish or individual ramekins with butter or cooking spray. 2. Fill the baking dish. Pour the prepared cake batter into the greased baking dish, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. 3. Bake the pudding. Transfer the baking dish to the preheated oven and bake the pudding for 30–35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 4. Cool the pudding. Remove the pudding from the oven and let it cool in the baking dish for 10–15 minutes before serving. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Making the toffee sauce. While the pudding is baking, you can prepare the luscious toffee sauce. Here's how to make the toffee sauce. 1. Melt the butter. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat until melted and bubbling. 2. Add the brown sugar. Stir in the brown sugar until dissolved and smooth, taking care not to let it burn. 3. Add the cream. Gradually pour in the heavy cream, stirring constantly, until the sauce is smooth and glossy. 4. Simmer the sauce. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and cook for 2–3 minutes, stirring occasionally, until slightly thickened. 5. Remove from heat. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. 5. Let the toffee sauce cool slightly before serving. Serving and presentation. Once the pudding and toffee sauce are ready, it's time to serve and enjoy. Here's how to serve sticky toffee pudding. 1. Cut into portions. Use a sharp knife to cut the warm pudding into individual portions. 2. Drizzle with toffee sauce. Spoon the warm toffee sauce over each portion of pudding, allowing it to soak into the cake. 3. Garnish. Garnish the pudding with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for added indulgence. 4. Serve immediately. Serve the sticky toffee pudding immediately while warm, with extra toffee sauce on the side for drizzling. Accompaniments and variations. Sticky toffee pudding can be enjoyed on its own or paired with a variety of accompaniments and variations. Here are some ideas to try. 1. Whipped cream. Serve sticky toffee pudding with a dollop of freshly whipped cream for a light and airy topping. 2. Vanilla ice cream. Top warm sticky toffee pudding with a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream for a classic pairing. 3. Caramel sauce. Drizzle additional caramel sauce over the pudding for extra sweetness and indulgence. 4. Nut toppings. Sprinkle chopped nuts such as pecans, walnuts, or almonds over the pudding for added texture and flavor. 5. Fruit compote. Serve sticky toffee pudding with a spoonful of fruit compote or fresh berries for a refreshing contrast to the rich flavors. Storing and reheating sticky toffee pudding. If you have leftovers, you can store sticky toffee pudding in the refrigerator for up to 3–4 days. To reheat, simply microwave individual portions on medium power for 30–60 seconds, or until warmed through. Alternatively, you can reheat the pudding in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 10–15 minutes, or until heated through. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced bakers may encounter challenges when making sticky toffee pudding. Here are some common issues and how to troubleshoot them. 1. Dry cake. If the cake is dry, it may have been overbaked. 1. Be sure to check the pudding for doneness with a toothpick before removing it from the oven, and adjust the baking time accordingly. 2. Sauce too thin. If the toffee sauce is too thin, it may not have been cooked long enough. 2. Simmer the sauce for an additional 1–2 minutes, or until slightly thickened. 3. Cake not rising. If the cake does not rise properly, it may be due to expired baking powder or improper mixing. 3. Make sure to use fresh baking powder and mix the batter until just combined to avoid overmixing. Sticky toffee pudding recipes. Here are some delicious sticky toffee pudding recipes to try. 1. Classic sticky toffee pudding with dates and toffee sauce. 2. Chocolate sticky toffee pudding with cocoa powder and chocolate chips. 3. Vegan sticky toffee pudding with almond milk and coconut oil. 4. Gluten-free sticky toffee pudding with almond flour and maple syrup. Conclusion and final thoughts. Making sticky toffee pudding at home is a delightful and rewarding experience that yields a decadent and indulgent dessert. Whether enjoyed on its own or paired with your favorite accompaniments, Sticky toffee pudding is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth and impress your guests. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different ingredients and variations, you'll be well equipped to create a memorable sticky toffee pudding that will have everyone asking for seconds. So gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to indulge in the irresistible goodness of homemade sticky toffee pudding. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy baking!